Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For today's video, I thought I would try something a little bit different when it comes to my DIYs. I was going through my closet, doing a little spring cleaning, checking out what I want to put on Depop or also just give to the Goodwill. So I came upon these Converse. I must have worn them maybe 2 to 3 times max. And I mean, I love them. They're just very neutral. I just don't seem to want to wear them as often. They're not like my go-to shoes. So I told myself, what can I do to make them a little bit more unique and fun and that I want to get use out of them again? So I came up with the idea of just sprucing them up a little bit, making them unique. And so I went to my local fabric store. I went in the ribbon section where there's tassels, ribbons, there's even some lace, just all of that beautiful stuff. So I got inspired. I told myself, you know what, why don't I just revamp them, make them a little bit more my style? And that's exactly what I did. So if you love boho, then I'm sure you will love these sneakers. I just think that they will look so pretty with either a flowy dress in the summertime or in the springtime, or even just pair them up with some jeans. I think that they're super cute. They're very boho, very me, and I am so happy of how they turned out. Anyway, we're gonna jump right into this video. But before we do, I thought I would mention, it's for sure if you go to your local fabric store, I'm not sure they're gonna have the exact ribbon or the exact accessories, but it's just to give you an idea as to what you can do with your Converse and just put your own twist on them. So anyway, without further ado, we're gonna jump right into this video. Enjoy. that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I have so many different ideas. I know I normally do home decor, but just changing it up sometimes, working on some clothing, accessories. I just had so much fun doing them. So comment down below, let me know if you guys enjoy not only doing DIYs for home decor, but also doing DIYs for clothing and fashion. I just love a mix of both. So it's hard for me to just go down the path of home decor. I love fashion just as much. Anyway, I thought I would just blend the two together. Let me know what you think, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It means the world to me. Thank you all for your beautiful comments, messages. You already know what I think about that. I am just so grateful. Have an amazing day. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.